What are you doing? What is that? In your hands, what is that? A what? A hookah loop? Is that your hookah loop? Show me how to hoop. Can you hula hoop with it? Good job. You dropped it. What is that? What is that?
Me.
What is that?
A hookah loop.
What is it?
A hookah loop.
Oh, a hookah loop. Good job. Hookah looping's hard work, ain't it? Is it hard work to hookah loop? Yeah.
Okay, I'll get all of them.
Get all of what?
These
Of these what?
hookah loops.
Okay, you go get them.
Here's one.
Okay, get them. Now what do you have? Now you have what?
Hookah loops.
How many?
One.
Three. Three what?
Hookah loops.
Three hookah loops.